Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you stepwise instructions on how to complete a quiz in D2L. The first step is to log into your D2L and then into your course. Once you're inside your course, find the quiz and then click on the quiz. Read the quiz details. Right here it says the quiz period, so it tells you what's the due date for the quiz. The due date is Feb 14th, 11:30 p.m. for this quiz. And you should make sure to complete the quiz before the due date and time. The time allowed for this quiz is 25 minutes. So you have to make sure that after you start the quiz, you complete the quiz within 25 minutes. So after you start the quiz, please don't walk away from your computer and then come back after an hour and try to complete the quiz. If you do that, you will get a 0 on the quiz because it automatically grades it as 0 after 25 minutes. So once you have started the quiz, make sure you complete the quiz within 25 minutes. And the number of attempts allowed for this quiz is 2. So this is good just in case if a student did not score well on their attempt 1, they can always do an attempt 2 to improve their score. But you have to remember that both the attempts have to be completed by the due date on time. So for this quiz, a student should have completed both the attempts by Feb 14th, 11:30 p.m. Every student does not have to do 2 attempts. If a student did really well on attempt 1 and scored all their points, then they do not have to do attempt 2. Their attempt 1 score will be their final score. I'm going to start the quiz. Once you start the quiz, the timer starts. So right here you can see the time limit is 25 minutes and the time left. So the timer has started. You can see the countdown right here. And before the time passes, before it's 25 minutes, you should submit the quiz. So this quiz has 7 questions. So I'm going to go ahead and start answering the questions. So you can see as I'm answering, your responses automatically get saved. You can always change your answer and then it will get saved again. All right. Once you have answered all the questions, you can click on Submit Quiz. Once you click on Submit Quiz, it will ask for a confirmation. Make sure you're done because once you hit Submit Quiz, your quiz has been submitted. You cannot go back to your quiz and make any changes. So Submit Quiz. So after you have done your attempt 1, you can see which questions you got correct and which ones you got incorrect. So right here, question number 1, you got 0 out of 2, which means you got it wrong. Question 2 also is wrong. Question 3, you answered correct because you got 2 points out of 2 points. Question 4 is incorrect. Question 5 is correct. Question 6 is correct. Question 7 is partially correct. This is a select all that apply question, which means that there is more than one correct answer. So you can see right here in attempt 1, let's say you scored a 50, this is like a 47%. So you definitely want to review the questions you got wrong, try to find the answers for them and do this another time. So I'm going to click on done and that's your attempt 1. Now you can go and study and review and do your attempt 2. I'm going to just show you how to do attempt 2. Let's say, a day has passed. Now you feel very confident and you want to redo the quiz. You would again go to the quiz, So I'm going to click on the quiz again. And you exactly follow the same procedure. So start quiz. Now I'm going to give all the correct answers, and then you can see your score improve. And I'm going to submit the quiz. Submit quiz. So right here you can see I got all of them correct. So I got 100%. And I click on done. So in this case, I take the highest attempt, so that's why you see you got 100%. But in some classes, it depends. Sometimes it might be an average of the 2 attempts. It might not always be the highest attempt. And after the due date has passed, let's say you did not get 100% on the quiz. You can always go back and check what are the correct answers. So after the due date, you will be able to see what the correct answer is. So this is how you complete a quiz in D2L. So I'm going to stop the recording here, and good luck everyone.